Good evening viewers, welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines. Tata Motors incorporates a new subsidiary for electric vehicle business. India optimistic on renewable energy investment in 2022. Updates on electric vehicle ecosystem. Coming to the details. Tata Motors has incorporated a wholly owned electric vehicle subsidiary with an initial investment capital of 700 crore rupees. The Tata Passenger Electric Mobility Limited, the new company, has been incorporated to design, develop and manufacture hybrid and electric vehicles. The newly formed company will undertake all activities required for establishing the assembly, manufacturing, fabrication, sales, after-sales services, marketing, promoting and/or servicing facilities. Tata announced its plan to have 10 electric car models in its portfolio by 2026. As already announced, TPG Rise Climate along with co-investor ADQ will invest 7,500 crore rupees in the newly created Tata Electric Vehicle subsidiary. Tata Motors and TPG Rise Climate entered into a binding agreement for the same. India's renewable energy sector is expected to boom with a likely investment of over $15 billion in 2022 as the government focuses on electric vehicles, green hydrogen, manufacturing of solar equipment as well as achieving the ambitious 175 gigawatt renewable capacity target. According to Bloomberg New Energy Finance reports, new investment made in the clean energy sector in the country stood at $10.8 billion in 2018, $9.3 billion in 2019, and $6.2 billion in 2020. Government of India's 4,500 crore solar PV manufacturing linked production linked incentives scheme, newly proposed hydropower policy and green hydrogen policy, and government plans to increase PLI scheme to 24,000 crore rupees will increase investments in the renewable sector. All these favorable conditions make the projections for 2022 to $15 billion. As on November 30, 2021, the country's installed renewable energy capacity stood at 150.54 gigawatt, comprising solar 48.55 gigawatt, wind 40.03 gigawatt, small hydro 4.83 gigawatt, biopower 10.62 gigawatt, and large hydro 46.51 gigawatt. We all are well aware of the Indian renewable targets of 175 gigawatt by 2022 and 500 gigawatt by 2030. Hyperlocal and EV-based last-mile delivery startup Zip Electric has partnered with Flow Mobility to expand its footprint in autonomous electric vehicle space with collaboration focusing on delivery in the Delhi NCR. SsangYong Motor Co., the South Korean unit of Indian car maker Mahindra and Mahindra, has signed an initial pact with Chinese electric vehicle maker BYD Auto Company for EV battery development. SsangYong Motor has signed a pact with BYD Auto to develop car batteries and produce battery packs for its models. EV maker Hop Electric has signed an initial pact with Rajasthan government to set up an electric vehicle manufacturing plant in Jaipur with a capacity to produce 1.8 lakh vehicles per annum. Tesla Power USA plans to introduce 5,000 electric vehicle charging stations across India by 2025. Advanced battery tech startup Log9 Materials inaugurated its first InstaCharge station in Bengaluru and said it plans to expand the charging infrastructure to other major cities and smaller towns going forward. Additional news today. 87 thermal power plants are running with critical coal stock. Greater Noida Authority signed a MOU with NTPC to recycle the plastic waste to produce electricity in its Dadri plant. India has 8.77 lakh electric vehicles on the road with UP, Delhi and Karnataka topping the list. Altigreen to deliver 1500 plus road-ready electric vehicles worth 75 crore rupees to moving in 2022. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 182.44 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 12 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 3 rupees 25 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 3 rupees 94 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 3 rupees 31 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 3 rupees 53 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network, and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day-ahead market, 4.01 million units of volume cleared with a weighted average price of 4 rupees 23 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.